Welcome to our channel AC Tips. Today we are discussing how to do chi-square test in Excel. First you have to paste the data set in your Excel. I have taken two categorical data, so eye color and hair color. In column field, I have put the eye color, and in row section, I have given the hair color. Now I have to find out the total value in column and row section for each eye color and hair color. Further, we need this total sum of value in expected frequency dataset calculation, which will be used in chi-square test further for getting the chi-square statistics. I have just calculated the total column value and row value by using the sum function in Excel. Now, in expected frequency table of data set, I have to multiply the total row value with the total column value and divide it with the grand total value to get the expected frequency of a particular cell. Just like blue and blondie, this cell I have to multiply 50 with 25 divided by 100. That's why I am getting the value 12.5. Similarly, the other cells value for expected frequency data set will be calculated by the formula. The same thing, the same formula I am putting in every cell of expected frequency table of dataset. I am calculating the every cell's value again for every cell, similarly to the first cell number to the last one. Now, the entire expected frequency table of dataset is prepared, and simple Excel formula of multiplications and divisions and sum function have been applied, and all the values have been derived. Now, I'm simply copy pasting the value of actual dataset and expected frequency table of dataset to getting the chi-square test statistic value. just simply copy and paste so that entire range of actual data set and expected frequency table data set matched, and we can simply put the values within the chi-square test function. Now I'm mentioning it as individually which one is actual and which one is expected frequency table dataset. Now all the entry values for the chi-square test function is ready. This is just decoration. Okay, now apply chi-square test function, and within the first bracket you are seeing that actual range and expected range you have to put over here, and after that I'm getting the value as 0.109284. That is your chi-square test statistics. Now you can derive your conclusion from this chi-square test statistic value. Stay tuned with essay tips for further videos.